the necessary and the sufficient condition for three non-zero non-collinear vectors A, B, C to be coplanar is. Now what is the condition? The condition is vector A, vector B and vector C is 0. This is the condition. Now let's prove it. Now let the three non-zero non-collinear vectors vector A, vector B and vector C. Let the three non-zero non-collinear vectors are vector A, vector B and vector C. Now vector A cross vector B, cross product of this is perpendicular to the plane of vector A and vector B. One thing, therefore vector A cross vector B is perpendicular to vector C. Now why? Because it is to be coplanar, because vector A, vector B, vector C are coplanar. Now vector A dot vector B, vector A cross vector B with dot product of vector C is equal to 0. Then if cross product of vector A and vector B is perpendicular to vector C, then what we can write it? Two vectors, vector A and vector B in the dot product. If they are perpendicular, then vector A dot vector B is equal to 0. Okay. So hence vector A, vector B, vector C is equal to 0.